So you're having trouble with your little control and staying on there after you've taken the door panel off a few times. Let me show you what's going on there. All right, you got your door panel part, and your little controller doesn't want to stay good. It's going to be these little clips here. You got two tabs here. They go up in the slots here, but then you've got a little plastic piece goes here in the middle. Then you got these two clips that go here, so that this part there goes down in that hole in there. And then, so you've got these two little hooks, little clips that clip over that plastic. So this one's in, and you see how they hook over that little tab right there. And you're going to come over here and hook this one on that one. And I can't do that with one hand. But that's your problem right there. You hook those little things on that little plastic, then that'll snap down in there. Now that snap right down in there, you see those two little tabs. You'll see the wear spots when you go to put it back in there. Those two little tabs snap back down there. Then that'll go in those holes here and over here. And then that'll stay in there. Now I actually had to modify the door handle a little bit and put me a different screw in the door handle here. If we can see that. And a washer to hold that a little better. And on the back side, I actually came through and put screws through the back side of the handle, because this tends to want to get loose too. So I tightened that off, but I put screws back through the back, about, you know, one here, and two on this little piece right here. And that tightened that all up. Your clips will be stuck down in the holes here, so you just squeeze that clip a little bit and then bring it back out. And then you'll want to put that part back in. I'm having a little trouble doing that with one hand, but I'll take that out and I'll put it back on here in these slots where it goes right here. Put it back in those slot there and that slot there, and then snap it in, and that's the trick.